Hi friends, since we already discussed responsibilities and you already made yours, below let's try to sort responsibilities. As you see below, there are things that you need to cut out. This will allow you to sort them into either the My Responsibilities category or Others Responsibilities. Below are some ideas. Here they are. The things my friends say. Is that your responsibility or is that others' responsibility? How about the next one? The way I handle my anger. Would that be your responsibility or is that someone else's responsibility? The next one says, the way others make me feel. Would that be my responsibility or others' responsibility? How about the next one? My siblings' homework. Would that go under my responsibilities or others' responsibilities? Next, the things I say when I am sad. Would that fall under my responsibilities or others' responsibilities? And last, my schoolwork. How would that fall? Would that go under my responsibilities or other responsibilities? When you're finished, talk to your parents about whose responsibilities are who in the house. Maybe you'll learn that others have more responsibilities than you. Have a great day.